Hello my friends and welcome back to new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to use videoView. For this I've created a project and in the layout XML I add a videoView and connect it to the constraint, and this is the layout. Let's go back to main activity. Here I initialize the videoView, and for this video I need a media controller. I'm going to add a media controller here. And I'm going to pass the content of the application, context of the application here. Then we need to build a new package here in the resources file, and I'm going to call it raw, which is the folder that we can put our raw resources inside it. Then I have video. I should copy and paste it inside it, and that's my video. The next thing is the address of the video, the path of the video. So equals to URI dot, and here I have to write Android dot resource double backslash and dollar sign package name and backslash dollar sign curly brackets and r dot row dot name of the video. Then I have to set media controller, this one. I'm going to have it here, and then after setting the media controller to the videoView, we need to set the address of the video and path of the video. Then request focus, and then videoView dot start. Now let me check it on emulator. And this is our video. By clicking on the video, this media controller will be appearing, and you can control the video just like pause it and using this toolbar. Okay, that was everything about videoView. If you find this video interesting, please remember to share it with your friends and give me a thumbs up. And if you have any question, please write down in the comment box below, and I will be so happy to answer to your questions. Remember to subscribe the channel for new videos. Have a good time. See you in next videos. Bye bye.